Ash pon the window. No, 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 no. No. Ash pon the window. Night breeze attacks her. One spliff, one prayer. Me a reason with my past. Ash pon the window frame. Me watch it drop like shame. Every little stress when me carry turn smoke drift with in the rain. Mama say you take stock. Life rough, but your heart can't stop. When the build them high like mountain top. Still have to push, still have to get up. Ash pon the window thoughts. Me a burn down fear, me a burn out doubt. From the gutter to the glory, me a go walk my road. Yeah, ash pon the window thoughts. Me nah back down, me nah sell out. Mine have to clean when the lights go out. Oh, yeah. No friend turn ghost in a daylight. Smiling at your face, but them can't move right. Me just sit down, overstand like some last teach more than book and blackboard line. Me tell myself, yo, humble your soul fastly and sweet. But it take enough tool, real rich is start. When your spirit feel whole, when you can't lose things and still stand bold. Ash pon the window thoughts. Me a burn down fear, me a burn out doubt. From the gutter to the glory, me a go walk my road. Yeah, ash pon the window thoughts. Me nah back down, me nah sell out. Mine a fi clean when the lights go out. Oh, yeah. Every ash a memory. Drop and sill and gone in a breeze. Every scar a little prophecy. Show me say my bill for these things indeed. You see? Heart off for firm like rock, my brother. Mine off for bright like dawn, my sister. So when the storm them beat on the zinc top, and fake love feel like old TikTok. Me still there, same block, same spot. With me ash pon the window and my feet pon top. Ash pon the window. Paper evening, street lamp glow, but we now watch that. Me day up on the corner with a book in my lap. Old shoes, big dream, belly flat, but mind fat. Whole heap of worry in a one little head. But I saw the struggle teach man fi trade. Mama said pick me. Remember where you read, so me circle every lesson like a daily bread.
Brown paper evening, oh. Every crease got a meaning. From the gutter to the ceiling, we rise, we rise. Write your future on the back of the bills. Turn the pen into page, into skill. Brown paper evening, we rise.
Man I talk big things, but them heart still hollow. Chat about tomorrow, but today them now follow. Real power starting on the mind, me G. If you can't lead yourself for your fi set man free. Little you talks, uncle where success be. Me say, more than gold is a clean conscience. So when your head touch pillow and your spirit sleep sweet. Even if you're shoe lean, even if your food cheap. Every scar a scripture, every tear a psalm. When the world get loud, all a silence stay calm. No jealous next man and build your own little truck. Can't plot mine and expect blessing back.
Every crease got a meaning. From the gutter to the ceiling, we rise, we rise. Write your future on the back of the bills. Turn the pen into page, into skill. Brown paper even, we rise.
lighted, blessed. Come fire Jah, confess it. Mind so cool, yet the flame so dark. Ancestor whisper when the ember fall. Yeah. Waking a demand, first things give thanks. Not chase vanity, me spirit got ranks. Them a run down hype, get lost in a crowd. Me a reason with the most I soft no load. Campfire blazing a center me chest. Storm all round but the soul get rest. Them say you though you smile in tribulation. This a pressure make diamond overstand the vibration. Campfire just steam rise slow but the truth stand raw. From me lungs to me heart to the core of me thought. Every breath is a prayer we can't buy no chord. Campfire just turn weak mind strong like iron and ore. When the whole world show man stay sure. Campfire drop. Enough man quick fi bust them, no quick fi build them. Pocket get fat but the spirit unfilled. Them sip little hype then the hype sip them. Them forget who them be, just a chase problem. Miss a read one book then read yourself. Take care of your mind like your bank book wealth. Word sound power careful where you call. Every little seed word grow big stand tall. Easy breathing sit down. Every fight inside got a season. When you feel like you can't go further, remember each deep breath is harder. From the same force all up the sea. Same one live quiet in a you, in a me you. Listen deep, listen deeper. Silence is a real life teacher. Campfire drop. Me burn out shame but me burn love brighter. Hold firm ground while the load get lighter. No run from your pain, use it like a tool. Turn scar into map that a warrior rule. Them say boss so you stay so still. Me say align my mind with divine will. Man no perfect, me a stumble same way. But me rise wipe my face, still give thanks for the day. Campfire drop. Campfire drop. Campfire drop. Campfire drop. Campfire drop. Campfire drop.
Early morn, brother. Man still dark. Little breeze lick me forehead like it want talk. Me sit down pon the ends, word up on my chest. All of the scrolling, the flexing, still my soul caress. Me ask myself where the space between my joy and my pain. Then a little quiet voice is there so you get seen? In a the green between thoughts. When the mind stop shout, stop force, is there so the truth get caught? And the little still voice find us. Yeah. In a the green between thoughts. When you breathe and you trust that pause. Life bigger than likes and cloud. Whole universe, bright new love. Enough man run down things till them heart feel poor. Whole heap of noise in them skull can't hear themselves no more. But when you slow down the hype and listen under your fear, you find a little green garden where just still I live the hero. In the green between thoughts. Take time, take stop, take no. Every inhale is hope. Exhale out the grudge and the doubt. Make your chest feel light like smoke. Oh my babe. Ask your heart, hopefully. Ask the soul. Every thought is just one little cloud. But your spirit